Welcome to Itihas Nama. Today is July 27th, and history echoes with bravery, scientific triumphs, and political transitions. Let's explore what happened on this powerful day. Let's start with India. On July 27th, 2015, the nation lost one of its most beloved sons, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, the 11th President of India. While delivering a lecture at IIM Shillong, he collapsed on stage and passed away doing what he loved: teaching and inspiring the youth. His legacy lives on in science, leadership, and the dreams of millions. Back in 1836, on this day, the first Indian Education Commission was appointed by the British. Though colonial in intent, it paved the way for structured education in India, a double-edged legacy we still debate today. In 1996, India hosted the first SAARC Youth Festival in New Delhi, an effort to unite South Asian youth through culture, sports, and dialogue. Now, let's move to the world stage. On July 27, 1953, the Korean War came to an end with the signing of the Korean Armistice Agreement. It ended 3 brutal years of war, dividing Korea into North and South, a division that still defines geopolitics in Asia today. On the same day in 1921, Insulin was successfully isolated for the first time by Canadian scientists Frederick Banting and Charles Bess. This discovery changed the lives of millions living with diabetes, one of the greatest medical breakthroughs of the 20th century. And in 1789, the first U.S. Department of State was established, laying the groundwork for America's diplomatic presence around the world. Now, for some memorable birthdays, in 1948, Peggy Fleming, the Olympic gold medalist figure skater, was born, known for revolutionizing women's figure skating with grace and athleticism. And in 1903, Kinoshita Jungi, a prominent Japanese playwright and translator, was born, known for reviving traditional Japanese drama post-World War II. History is full of endings and beginnings, of legends who leave and ideas that stay. Come back tomorrow to uncover what happened on July 28th in history. If you found today's history engaging, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Itihas Nama.